How's it going, everybody? This is BeatTheBush. Today I'm going to talk about a new app called Webull, which will allow you to do free trades. This video is sponsored by Webull. Frankly, I wouldn't have known about this without them sponsoring me, and I'm very glad I did because this is a very viable platform that allows for free trades. Looking into it, I did my own research about the company background and stuff, and I finally invested about $2,000 into this application just to try things out. Now you can sign up right now, there's no referrals or anything, just go and search for this app on Android or iOS. If you do so right now, you can get a free share of blue chip stock valued anywhere between $3 and $1,000. Now I personally got a free share, I got ABEV, valued at $4.72. So this is great. You just sign up and then you get like $5 or something. I'll show you guys what the probabilities are in getting that $1,000 free stock later on in this video. Now with any of these brokerage apps that I recommend, you really have to know that these are brokerage apps. They allow you to buy and sell stocks. Stock in itself, when you buying and selling individual stock is actually quite risky and it can go up or down in value. So know this before you plunge into it and go around buying stocks and selling stocks, especially when it's free. It's very tempting to do so. Now these days, we have very few options for free trading stock platforms, but more and more are coming along. And I remember when I started trading stocks, I actually had to pay like $20 for every single trade. Every single buy I have to pay $20, every single sell I have to pay $20. So it's crazy how, you can actually just do it for free these days. So what are the advantages of Webull? It's a free trading platform. You can use this for free. There's no commissions on trades, no minimum deposits, and you get free real-time quotes. This is a big thing because a lot of brokerages, you have to be at a certain level to get free real-time quotes, or maybe you even have to pay for it. If you decide to trade on margins, they charge a pretty reasonable rate between 6.99% and 3.99%. The more you borrow, the less the APR is. Now, a great thing about this app is that they have a news feed for the stocks that you're looking at. There's no hidden fees with any of this. And if you've been looking at various news apps, you'll realize that some of the news apps out there, they started charging money. I'm not gonna pay for, everyday news like this when you can just go to Webull and get free news. Now, I know this is like some random company you've never heard of, right? Webull. It's just like, it seems like it just popped out of nowhere. Now, with any app that I don't recognize, I do my diligence on the company to make sure that they are a viable company, that they're gonna be around, because before investing, before putting in thousands of dollars, I want to know that they're not going to take my money and run away. There are 1 million downloads on Google Play already, if you check, and 8 million downloads globally. So it's having a pretty large traction. And I feel like going forward, this app is going to get bigger and bigger and more people are going to adopt it. This company is SEC registered and they are on the FINRA.org site. FINRA is Financial Industry Regulatory Authority. If you're interested in that link, I'll leave it down below. The owner is called Fumi Holdings. However, when I dug deeper into it, I think it might be because it might be all in Chinese or something. I can't search more in English for it, but it's held by a bigger company. The US operations is established in Delaware in May of 2017. So this is just, less than a year old or so for the US-based operations. Their office is in 44 Wall Street, New York, so it gives it some more legitimacy because they actually have a real office. And I actually walked by that building when I visited New York a while ago. They're SIPC insured, which insured your investments up to $500,000. So this essentially insures your assets from disappearing, and they would actually back that up. It's kind of similar to FDIC, except for securities. They also have an additional insurance by Apex Clearing Corp covering up to millions of dollars of assets. They're also partnered with reputable firms such as Thomson Reuters, Morningstar, New York Stock Exchange, NASDAQ, SGX, London Stock Exchange, and many others. So when you sign up for this app, you actually have to go through the whole sign up process. You actually have to transfer money in. But when you do, you'll have a chance to get a blue chip stock valued somewhere between $3 and $1,000. The probability of getting these stocks, as I was told, 5% for $3 stocks, 60% for $5 stocks, 5% on $1,000 stock, and 30% in other stocks. So 5%, that means you get 1 in 20 chance of getting a $1,000-ish stock. This is pretty good. If let's say they have to pay $1,000 for 20 people that really signs up, this means that they're paying about $50 per sign up over here. This is somewhat reasonable because the banks, they pay maybe $100 to $200 for anyone to sign up for their checking account. So, it's not insanely crazy how much that they're giving away. This also gives a chance for, someone to randomly win a lot of money rather than, giving a fixed rate for every single person that signs up. Somewhere mid-July, somewhere middle of this month in 2018, you're going to have the ability to refer friends. And every single time you refer a friend, you're going to get a new stock for yourself, and your friend will also get a new stock. Unfortunately, this is not live yet, so I don't have a referral link or anything. So you guys can just search for Webull, Webull, on iOS or Android, and you can download your app that way. Now, with any free app, I'm always wondering, how the heck are they offering this for free when traditionally all these companies, they have to ask you to pay $5, $7, $10 for each trade? The answer is because these new companies, they are not backed with a brick and mortar store. They don't have all these stores that they have to pay a whole bunch of employees, so their costs are really low, therefore they can charge you less. On top of this, yes, they're not charging any money on the commissions. However, if you use more of their app, they do charge a bit of money for their margin accounts where you're essentially borrowing money from them in order to do trading. For anyone that keeps on using their app, yeah, there might be a chance that some people will need to do a margin account, and that's how they can earn a little bit more money. So the way I see it is, a lot of these traditional brokers, I think the writing is on the wall for them. They're going to get less and less customers, and there's nothing they can do about it because they essentially have all these stores and all these employees, a high overhead. So even if they want to lower it to zero, they cannot, because once they do, they're essentially going to be losing money. So anyhow, before that happens, we can all just jump on the Webull bandwagon, go and use their free app and stuff. I wish I had this long time ago. So I just signed up to this thing. I'm just going to go in here, get my free stock. Zero commission is coming now. From $3 to $1,000, you get one share of something. Okay, let's get it now. Open account. I personally don't want to get a margin account. I've had bad experiences in the past, so I'm going to only get a cash account. Let me enter in all my personal information here. Okay, I finished that page. It asks for social security number, name, birthday, residential address. More information now. Employment type. Occupation. I'll just say sales for now. And then enter in the address. And then it asks typical financial background. And then, since this is a brokerage account, it wants all kinds of crazy information like a driver's license, national identity card, passport, and such. Are you a 10% shareholder? Well, this is kind of neat. This is like all online forms. You don't have to go in, and they want your signature like this. And I will... Okay, it says, congratulations, application submitted for approval. It will be approved within 2 to 3 business days. Complete. So this is pretty typical. It has your watch list, bunch of ticker symbols over here. You can watch the markets over here. Dow Jones, whatever. Let me just drill into, let's say, the S&P 500 index over here to see what kind of information it can supply us. Over the 5-day period over here, goes up and down. I like how the graph over here appears pretty fine. 3 months, 5 years. Ooh, it even has news. It looks very, very well full featured over here. Okay, let's do trade. My application is under review still, so I can't show you any of this yet. But I like this part over here where you can look at the streams. Look at it, has a bunch of news information that you can look at. Heineken battles AB InBev in Brazil. This is like a worldwide thing. So let's go 724. What does that mean? This is information regarding all the stock ticker symbols that's in your portfolio. Man, you can spend a lot of time reading all these articles in here. Okay, I got approved overnight. Here's a message they sent me. Your Webull trading account has been opened. You can trade after deposit. And on this page, it says account has been approved. Please set the account transaction password. Okay, now they want you to deposit and trade. Only available for US Bank or wired. Okay, I'll do ACH. Instant account verification would be nice. I can link one of these accounts. Well, I'll just go with Chase for now. So I'm going to deposit $2,000 in there for now. Transfer. So now I got $2,000 trying to get into this account. It's in progress. It's roughly 2 days later and I have $2,000 transferred in through ACH. I'm going to place a trade right now. I'm going to buy some VOO, the S&P 500 ETF fund with about, I forget, it's about 0.03 and 0.04 expense ratio. I'm going to buy limit order 150.01, buy 7 shares. It's smart enough to go, okay, you have $2,000 in there, the maximum number you can buy 7. It was grayed out, and now the total is $1,771.01. Extended hours, I don't want to place an extended hour trade. It's going to do it the next time it's open on the market. Okay, this looks good. I'm going to go buy. It's going to cost that much. Commission $0. This is very important. Limit order, it'll only buy it when the price is that low or lower. So I'm going to submit the order now. Over here, it's grayed out. It says available T plus 0 trading times is 3, which means, you know, if you trade more than 3 times in one day, you're going to get bumped into this day trading thing. So don't trade too many times on one day. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video and enjoyed me introducing this new great way to have free trades, have free news, have free real-time quotes. You can even simulate your trades and set up alarms when certain things happen. It's gonna buzz you with notifications on your app. Like I said, I put my own money into this to try to do free trades as well. So do try this app out, and remember, if you're paying for commission trades right now, there are these things out there where you don't have to pay that at all. So thanks for watching. If you want more of my videos, push that subscribe button and ring that bell icon. Thanks for watching.